Hello everyone, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Royal Defence Academy, the best free learning platform for the preparation of your Sainik School, Military School and RIMC entrance exam. So if you are preparing for Sainik School, Military School or RIMC, do join Royal Defence Academy and subscribe to our channel. Today we are having the basic portion of English, that is parts of speech. Some questions are arise like you have to identify the parts of speech. Parts of speech are basically interjection, conjunctions, verbs, adverbs, nouns, pronouns and all. All of these are compiled called as part of speech. Now we have to identify, we are given a sentence, we are given a word and we have to identify the part of speech. It is a basic topic for the Sainik School 6th and Sainik School 9th as well as RIMC entrance exam. In all of these examinations, such questions are common one. Now we will do around 50 questions today. The first one is, which part of speech describes a noun or pronoun? Now the word which modifies, which describes noun या pronoun. जो word noun या फिर pronoun को modify करता है उसके बारे में कुछ some sort of extra information दे रहा है, that is called as adjective. Adjective defines it. Second one, which part of speech expresses an action or state of being? ऐसा कौन सा पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच है जो एक्शन बताता है, कोई स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग बताता है, लाइक कुछ वर्किंग हो रही है, कुछ एक्शंस हो रहे हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज वर्ब, जिसको क्रिया बोला जाता है. Sixth one, which word is an adjective in the sentence? She wore a beautiful dress. Now we are having a noun right here, that is dress. Now just we have done a question that the word which describes noun is called as adjective. Here right here we are having beautiful, which is our adjective. The answer is beautiful. Seventh one, which of the following is an adverb? Now adverb is that word which modifies a verb, another adverb or an adjective. इन तीन को जो मॉडिफाई करता है, दैट वर्ड इज एन एडवर्ब. नाउ वी आर हैविंग स्लोली, प्रिटी, टीचर एंड फास्ट. स्लोली इज द एडवर्ब राइट हियर एंड इट इज एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर. Question number 3, which part of speech connects words, phrases or clauses? कंजंक्शन इज दैट पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच या जो दो फ्रेजेस को कनेक्ट करेगा, दो क्लॉजेस को, दो वर्ड्स को या फिर दो सेंटेंसेस को. इन दोनों को जो कंबाइन करता है, दैट वर्ड इज कॉल्ड एज कंजंक्शन. नाउ द ऑप्शन फर्स्ट इज प्रोनाउन. प्रोनाउन का कनेक्शन से कोई रिलेशन नहीं है. नेक्स्ट इज इंटरजेक्शन. इट इज यूज्ड इन एक्सक्लेमेशन इन द एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस एंड रेस्ट इज एडवर्ब. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज कंजंक्शन ओनली. Identify the noun in the following sentence. The cat is sleeping. Sleeping is our verb, is a helping verb, the is article, rest is the cat, which is our noun. Eighth one, identify the verb in this sentence. The dog barked loudly. Bark is the past form of verb. We can modify the verb in three forms: past, base form, past form and past participle form. This right here is the past form. Dog is our noun. Loudly is the adverb and bark is our verb. What part of speech is the word under in the sentence? She is hiding under the bed. She is our pronoun, is our helping verb, hiding is our verb and under the bed is telling us the position. The bed is the object and इसकी position बताई जा रही है under के through. The words which tell about the positioning of a noun or a pronoun in any action is called as preposition. Preposition ऐसे words होते हैं, ऐसे part of speech होते हैं जो हमें किसी noun या फिर pronoun की basically subject की positioning बताते हैं, that where it is present. Right here under. Under हमें बता रहा है position of the she. Fifth one, which of the following is a pronoun? Quickly, she, and beautiful. And is conjunction, beautiful is adjective, she is the pronoun and quickly is the adverb. Which part of speech replaces a noun in a sentence? एक noun में repetition, एक sentence में noun के repetition को avoid करने के लिए we use pronoun. By definition we can say that pronouns are those words which are used in the place of noun in order to avoid the repetition of noun. I am writing any paragraph or a person, मैं बार बार उसका नाम रिपीट करूँ, in that place I will use a pronoun, it will be better. So pronoun is that word which is used in the place of a noun. Next, 11th one, in the sentence he quickly ran to the store, what part of speech is quickly? I just told that the ly words are usually adverbs. Quickly is the adverb present right here and it is adverb of manner. 12th one, which of the following words is a noun? Happiness, bright, run, around. Happiness is the noun and it is abstract noun, which is telling about the feelings. 16th one, which of the following is an example of an interjection? Interjection are basically the words which are used in the exclamatory sentences in order to specify the feeling. Specific interjections are used for different feelings and from that we specify our feelings. Right here it is out. It expresses the feeling of hurt. 17th one, what part of speech modifies a verb, adjective or another adverb? That is a adverb only. एक एडवर्ब एक एडजेक्टिव को मॉडिफाई कर सकती है, वर्ब को मॉडिफाई कर सकती है और दूसरे एडवर्ब को भी मॉडिफाई कर सकती है. द प्राइमरी यूजेस टू मॉडिफाई अ वर्ब, सेकेंडरी एडजेक्टिव एंड लास्टली ऑफ अनदर एडवर्ब. Thirteen one, identify the conjunction in the following sentence. I wanted to go but it was too late. Now we are having two parts. I wanted to go and it was too late. These two are phrases and I want to connect them by the help of but. But right here is the conjunction. 14th, what part of speech is they? They is basically our pronoun which is used to denote a group in which I is not included. ऐसा group जिसका part I नहीं है and some plural group, more than one. What is the function of a preposition in a sentence? Just told you in the examples right before that preposition वो word होता है जो हमें noun या pronoun की positioning बताता है. It shows to describe a noun, to show the relationship between noun and another word. This another word is basically the position. ये हमें position बता रहा है. Identify the verb in the following sentence. They are reading quietly. Quietly is the adverb. Are is helping verb. And they is our pronoun. Rest is reading. It is the gerund form of the verb. The verbs which are having a connection of ing are called as gerund form and this is the verb present here. Answer is reading. 15th one, in the sentence the book is on the table. What part of speech is on? जो book है वो टेबल पर है. बेसिकली जो book है उसकी टेबल से रिलेशन बताया जा रहा है, उसके ऊपर प्रेजेंट है, पोजीशन बताई जा रही है. दिस इज द preposition. Positioning of the book is told with respect to the table. Which word is an adjective in the sentence? The bright sun is shining. Sun is our main noun. इसमें only एक noun present है, that is the sun. इस sun की quality बताई जा रही है by the word bright and this is our adjective only. Answer is A1. Which of the following is a verb? Jump, slowly and blue. Blue is basically a color, it is a noun and is conjunction. Slowly is our adverb and rest is a jump, that is our verb. 22. What part of speech is with in the sentence? She went to the store with her friend. अब रिलेशनशिप दो चीज के साथ बताया जा सकता है. बेसिकली वो कहाँ प्रेजेंट है या फिर किसके साथ प्रेजेंट है, हम पोजीशन नहीं बता रहे. अब वो अपने फ्रेंड के साथ शॉप में गई. इट इज नॉट अ कंजंक्शन. वर्ब भी नहीं है, एडजेक्टिव भी नहीं है, रेस्ट इज प्रीपोजिशन. पोजीशनिंग बताई जा रही है किसके साथ गई है. व्हाट पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच इज and in the sentence Tom and Jerry are best friends and is a conjunction which is connecting two sentences. Two words. Tom and Jerry are the name of two people, two nouns, two words which are connected by an and. अब जब and use होता है तो दोनों words के equal importance होता है. Which part of speech describes how something is done? कोई भी चीज कैसे करी जा रही है, what was the way to do it, वो बताया जाता है adverb से. And basically more specifically talking about it is adverb of manner. In the sentence he is very smart, what part of speech is very? वो स्मार्ट है बट वो बहुत ज्यादा स्मार्ट है, मतलब ज्यादा स्मार्ट है. अब वर्ब है बेसिकली जो स्मार्ट था, इट इज एन एडजेक्टिव विच वी आर यूजिंग फॉर ही. ही इज अ प्रोनाउन. प्रोनाउन के साथ एक एडजेक्टिव यूज किया जा रहा है, दैट इज स्मार्ट. अब इस स्मार्ट को और ज्यादा मॉडिफाई कर रहे हैं. नाउ एडजेक्टिव को जो मॉडिफाई करता है दैट इज ओनली एडवर्ब, दैट्स व्हाई आंसर इज एडवर्ब. आइडेंटिफाई द प्रोनाउन इन द सेंटेंस. शी गेव हर बुक टू हिम. उसने अपनी बुक उसको दी. अब द प्रोनाउन, इसमें प्रोनाउन आइडेंटिफाई करना है. वी आर हैविंग शी एंड हिम. अब ऑप्शन में शी इज अवेलेबल एंड हर इसलिए नहीं किया बिकॉज इट इज शोइंग अस पोजेशन. ओके, शी इज अ प्रॉपर प्रोनाउन ऑफ द फर्स्ट पर्सन. हर इज काइंड ऑफ शोइंग पोजेशन, दैट्स व्हाई उसको काउंट नहीं कर रहे. नेक्स्ट इज 28 in the sentence the cake smells delicious. What part of speech is delicious? Basically cake is present. केक के बारे में एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन दी जा रही है, केक की क्वालिटी बताई जा रही है, दैट हाउ इज द केक, दैट इज डिलीशियस एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट इज अवर एडजेक्टिव. 29th one, which part of speech is if in the sentence? If it rains we will stay inside. अगेन कंजंक्शन है. if बिगिनिंग में आ रहा है, if can be used in two ways. अगर ये कॉमा नहीं लगाना तो if यहाँ पर आएगा. अगर we are using this comma then if will be right here, जैसा भी यूज हो रहा है. So if it rains we will stay. It rains and we will stay are two phrases and we are connecting them by if. And if is right here our conjunction. It is connecting two parts. 25. Which part of speech is always in the sentence? He always arrives on time. वो हमेशा टाइम पर आता है. जो arrives है ये verb है. वर्ब को मॉडिफाई कर रहा है. दैट ऑलवेज, ऑलवेज इज एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी कि कोई भी काम कितनी बार हो रहा है, कितनी बार रिपीट हो रहा है. ऑलवेज मतलब हमेशा रिपीट हो रहा है. द आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी, दैट इज एडवर्ब. Which part of speech is if in the sentence? If it rains we will stay inside. We have done this one, it is conjunction. Which of the following is a proper noun? Is 30th one and the options are on the next page. City, chair, John and right. City is a common noun, chair is a common noun, right is a adjective and rest is John, which is the name of a specific person. That's why we are categorizing it as proper noun. 31. What part of speech is slowly in the sentence? The turtle moves slowly. Moves is our verb. इस verb को modify करा जा रहा है by the word slowly. Slowly is adverb of manner कि किस तरह से काम हो रहा है. The answer is adverb. 35. In the sentence she danced gracefully. What part of speech is gracefully? She danced, उसने डांस किया. कैसे किया? That is जो dancing वाली verb थी वो किस तरह perform हुई. It is adverb of manner again. Answer is adverb. What part of speech is but in the sentence? I want to go but I am too tired. मैं जाना चाहता हूँ but मैं बहुत ज़्यादा थका हुआ हूँ. I want to go first part. I am too tired is our second part. इसको connect किया जा रहा है by the word but. It is our conjunction. Identify the interjection in the following sentence. Wow, that was amazing. Here we are having the interjection as wow, which is showing surprise. What part of speech is after in the sentence? We will go to the park after lunch. जो पार्क है हम उसके उधर लंच के बाद जाएंगे. अब पोजीशनिंग बताई जा रही है, कनेक्शन किया जा रहा है पार्क का और लंच का. दो चीजों के बीच में रिलेशनिंग बता रहा है आफ्टर. After is preposition right here. 37. Identify the verb in the following sentence. The children played in the garden. We are having the verb as played. This is the second form of verb, that is past form. Which of the following words is adjective? Beautiful, run, happiness, quickly. Quickly is adverb, happiness is abstract noun, run is the verb and beautiful is the adjective. Which of the following is a pronoun? Quickly, house, they, beautiful. Quickly is adverb, house is noun, common noun, they is our pronoun, third person pronoun, and they is beautiful, that is adjective. We are having they again. I am specifying they. It is a group, two or more than two people in which I is not included. अगर I included होता है तो उसको we बोलते हैं. Otherwise it is they. What part of speech is between in the sentence? The cat is hiding between the boxes. We are having two options, preposition and conjunction. The cat is hiding between the boxes. Boxes के between है. Connection show नहीं करा. उस cat की positioning बताई जा रही है. The answer is option number A, that is preposition. 40th one. Which of the following is an interjection? Beautiful is adjective. teacher is a noun, wow is our interjection, and running is our verb. In the sentence he ran fast, what part of speech is fast? जो ran है it is our verb. Verb को modify कर रहा है, extra information provide कर रहा है, that is the word fast. Fast is our adverb. Option number C. 45 in the sentence the flowers are blooming beautifully, what part of speech is beautifully? जो flowers है they are now talking about listen beautiful. Beautiful अपने आप में is a adjective, but the moment we added this ly to it, it becomes adverb of manner. Beautiful adjective था, हमने ly का addition किया, it became adverb of manner. Adjective से adverb बन गया वो, ठीक है? It is conversion of adjective into adverb. Adjectives का conversion abstract noun में भी होता है, adverb से भी होता है. Different conversions are there. Now the beautifully is our adverb. The flowers are blooming. Blooming is the activity, and the activity is performed beautifully. The answer is adverb. 46. Identify the conjunction in the following sentence. She studied hard, so she passed the exam. The answer is so. उसने मेहनत करी, इसलिए वो एग्जाम पास कर गई. So the answer is so. So is connecting two parts. That is she studied hard, and the second part she passed the exam. इन दो parts को connect किया जा रहा है by the help of a word so, which is our conjunction right here. Which part of speech describes a noun? ऐसा कौन सा पार्ट होता है स्पीच का जो कि नाउन को डिस्क्राइब करता है? नॉट ओनली नाउन बट ऑल्सो प्रोनाउन, उसको डिस्क्राइब करने वाला वर्ड होता है एडजेक्टिव. इट डिस्क्राइब्स नाउन एज वेल एज प्रोनाउन. इसको विशेषण बोलते हैं, हमें क्वालिटीज बताता है, मॉडिफाई करता है. What part of speech is on in the sentence? The book is on the table. It is preposition, positioning बताई जा रही है. 47. What part of speech is before in the sentence? He called me before dinner. उसने मुझे डिनर से पहले कॉल किया. अब this called me and dinner, इनके बीच में we are showing the relation. Not only position but relation भी बताया जाता है. Relation बताया जा रहा है. The answer is preposition. Which of the following is a verb? Sing, quickly, blew, happiness. Sing is a verb, quickly is a adverb, blew is a noun, more specifically it is a proper noun, and happiness is our noun only, which is abstract noun. The answer is option number A, that is sing. Which of the following is a noun? Running, beautiful, chair. The answer is chair, which is a common noun. What part of speech is although in the sentence? Although it was raining, we went for a walk. Answer is conjunction. Options are on the next page. We will continue that in the next session. Now the although is a conjunction which is connecting. It was raining, बारिश हो रही थी, and we went for a walk. हम walk के लिए गए. बारिश हो रही थी, फिर भी हम walk के लिए गए. जो although है इन दो parts को connect कर रहा है. It is a conjunction. Rest question we will continue in the next part of the same chapter. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel.